Hello, and thanks for joining me again today on another episode of Monster Hunter Stories 2, Wings of Ruin. We gotta go save those kids, as I left them in mortal peril last time. We've got 3 kids to find. We better hurry. The little squirts must be getting scared. The children may be hidden from monsters. We should check the tall grass. It's a good hiding place. What? Everyone knows you don't go into the long grass. Tall grass is just up ahead. Nice. Wait. Oh, there they are. Hey, kid. This isn't tall grass. What? Like, even in the slightest. You're terrible at hiding, kid. Owen, you came. And the human rider, too. Sniff. Yeah, that's right. I said sniff. I thought I might never get home. Don't worry, little one. You're safe now. Wait, weren't there supposed to be 3 lost kids in all? Come on, dude. This is your second game. You know they're never in the same place. I got separated from the others. Last time we were together was by a huge tree. Are they gonna be alright? A huge tree? There's only one of those in the Wendwood. That's a very weird name, then. If there's only one large tree. But okay. We should check there next. I can see the huge tree from here, buddy. Those kids are up. And we're back. I assume he was going to talk about how we can save the kids now because of the big tree there. Wow, that is a really big tree. No, what? Of course there's only one here. Someone finally come to find me. Thanks for saving me. He doesn't look that young. Possum, everybody's... Wait, we're still one short. Where's your friend? I lost track of him by the pond. He said he'd go call for help and ran off before I could catch up. Near the pond. I hope he hasn't run into any monsters. Come on. Of course he's run into monsters. This is the pond, right? So where's the last kid? Well, I hear him. Seriously, where is he? He's obviously more over here. Oh, there he is. Jeez, I'm blind. Well, in fairness to my eyeballs, he was behind me.
Phew! Looks like we found them all, buddy!
I'm glad the children are all right. Thank Mew for your help, Ryder. Mew too, Owen.
Ruto children get lost fairly often. Red used to help me look for them too.
Wow! Searching for lost children with Red, huh? I gotta say, you're a much more considerate guy than I thought, Owen.
Now that reminds me.
Huh?
My papa once told me an unforgettable story of how he got lost in the forest, and how 2 people protected him.
Hello? Any little lost felines here?
Huh. Wonder where they got to.
They sure are a handful. There's a monster nearby. Careful, it's an Arzuros. Looks agitated too.
Not just that. I get the feeling there's something else. There's gotta be a reason it's all riled up. Fight! I get it. You were only trying to protect your kid. Don't worry. We're not here to hurt you.
Phew! That was awfully close.
Aha! There you are. What have you been doing all this time?
We just wanted to get a little honey, but that Arzuros got mad at us, and she's been on our tails for the last 3 days.
Well, you didn't get hurt, so I guess all's well. Come on, let's get you home.
Red, how could you tell the monster had a cub?
Simple. I heard the monster's voice.
The monster's voice? You really are strange.
So Red could actually hear what monsters were saying? Sounds like my buddy's grandpa was a real character.
Everybody get back! It's a monster!
Oh, nice! The helicopter man himself! A Durham Burrows. What's a mountain of a monster like that doing in a place like this? I'm just as surprised as you. We don't want the children getting hurt. We'll have to fight it. Like how we fight literally everything, because that's kind of what we do. I kind of feel like he's probably power. Oh, I got my speed guy on. I forgot I switched it. I also feel like a hammer is a good choice. What am I doing? Just got done saying he's probably power. I wonder... Let's see. His tail. He has a helicopter attack where he spins around and then flies into the air. Okay, more of jumps. He doesn't actually fly. So I figure probably my best bet would be to get rid of his tail so that he can't spin. Oh, yeah! Alright. Let's bring up that kinship level, huh? Boom! Boy, he's really focused on me and my Velocitron. Oh, I say that now he's not. Let's get it. Let's just attack him. Shut up! Love that attack. His tail's still not broken. Don't aim for his feet. His tail. We're breaking his tail. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, now he's mad. Alright. I think probably his face. Body or legs? Really? I guess body? Nice. Alright. Yeah, Durhamboros is a really cool monster. I love big herbivore monsters. Too many of the herbivores are relegated to just the small creatures. Makes me sad. Oh no, wait, no, he's using technical right now because he's enraged. So I need power. Yeah. Oh, nice one. Freezing Puff! I like him. He's like a mountain goat combined with a mountain. It's like they took mountain goat too far. Or maybe a muskox. Lightning meteor!
Now, Shulk!
Wobble blam! I like Shulk.
Taste the chill of icy fangs!
Oh, that was cool. Wait, Pete. Oh, I thought I went for his back. Oh, I'm a big old dum-dum. Oh, his back is broken. I guess blade for his feet? His hammer didn't do the trick. Let's try blade. Trying to get a giant spin in. Ha! No giant spin for you. Ooh, that hurt. Power shot! Get a focus slash in there. Nice. Oh, those criticals are beautiful. I'm really surprised though, because in the game you could break his head. In normal Monster Hunter. Guess we're back to hammer then. Yeah, like what a great monster. He's just super laid back, you know, going about doing his thing. Great monster to hunt too. Oh, he's down! That's gotta be the biggest monster we've beat so far. Yeah, that's a fair assessment.
Impressive display of kinship.
The children's laughter will ring through the village once more. What a relief. You know, it's too bad. I can't hear monsters' voices like old Red could. But you're... What? Okay. You gotta work hard to learn your grandpa's trick, buddy. Let's get these children back to the village. That's no way to transport children. I mean, I'm just assuming they're with me. Getting upstairs is harder than I thought. Controller's acting a little weird. Alright, Zellard.
I'm glad to see the children return safely. You have our gratitude.
Well, you're welcome.
Ha! We eat jobs like this for breakfast!
That's an awfully hefty breakfast, man. Durham Boros is heavy.
You've learned the right of channeling and proven yourself an ally to our village. I believe you can face the Nargacuga.
The Nargacuga!
You're sending us on another quest already? Ugh, you really know how to work your riders.
Also, when was the Nargacuga
That's
mentioned?
quite enough. There's no need to get snippy with Zellard.
Well, in fairness, he is working us real hard. We don't belong to this village. And also, when was Nargacuga even a thing?
Snippy? Us? Why, I oughta?
My apologies, Zellard. We'll set out at once.
Fine. Just have a ton of donuts waiting for us when we get back, okay?
Is this gonna be another donut joke thing?
Unbelievable.
Nope, guess not. Hey, Alwyn, show us where the Nargacuga hangs out around here. It's likely to be in West Itule Forest. Let's go. I probably pronounced that wrong. Marvelous, there was a Bulldrome armor set. If I remember correctly, seeing it again would be a find indeed. Good to see you again. That outfit is great on you. Let me take a good look. I'm a-coming for ya, Nargacuga. The Nargacuga is right up ahead, buddy. I can feel it in my whiskers. Cool. And there he is! The Nargacuga has shown itself. Get ready for a tough fight. Bring it! Nargacuga are famous for their speed, but I know you'll be able to handle this, buddy. Nargacuga would be a handful even for Shulk and I. If this young rider really does have what it takes to stand against one, then maybe. Alright, first things first, let's get Blue Yayan. Next, let's see. I want to get rid of his tail, so I think I'm going to switch to my sword. Hiya! Speed, so we want technical. Get that tail. Ooh, double technical. Blam! Really? Okay. Blade's not that helpful against the tail. Let's try the bow then.
Keep pushing.
There we go. Okay. I gotta say, he seems more delicate than the Ouroboros. Let's try. Switch back to the sword. And we'll go for stomach. Really? I thought we'd be trying to break his blade wings because, you know, they're blades. Okay, let's try his head. Wow, blade's no good again. Ooh. It's time to get a ride. I'm just gonna go straight to the kitchen. Just smash his face. Yeah, this is no time for snacking. Oh, his body seems to be pretty sturdy. Alright. Let's do this thing. Yeah, arrows seem to be the trick. A little surprising. Ooh, now he's angry. Alright, let's see. So, he's probably on power now. Oh, he's doing a non-elemental thing. Ka-cha! I kind of feel like this team is very well set up to just beat Nargacuga down. I do love his eyes when he gets enraged. So freaking awesome. Aw, a technical attack. He didn't use one last time. I was worried that he would he'd smuck me if I tried to attack him, and then I might lose my ride without doing a Kinship attack. Wait, he did technical. That's surprising. I should be using power then. Yeah! Here's shot! Yeah, Nargacuga is a cool creature, yeah. He's an ambush predator that uses the edges of his wings, which are like blades, to attack. Or he has, he can shoot quills out of his tail. And he can also
Now, show
Yeah, we watch this one. He shoot quills out of his tail or stiffen them and use it as like a mace. So he's got both a mace on tail and... Well, actually, a mace isn't a good analogy. Morningstar, because it has spikes. Yeah, he's a really, really cool creature. A lot of favorites. A lot of people put Nargacuga down as their favorite. Oh! And I just put him down.
Well done. I'm impressed.
We're already strong enough to beat a Nargacuga. I haven't seen anyone improve this fast since Red.
You sure are strong, buddy. Kana would be so proud.
It amazes me how fast humans develop.
I know, right? My buddy could probably even beat you in a fight, Alwyn.
They'd have to get as strong as Red first.
That's quite the declaration.
Does that mean you and Red fought each other back in the day?
Just sparring. I wanted to see how far his skills had come. I never seriously considered he might beat me.
Wow! Are you saying you lost?
Of course not. I don't want to talk about it.
He clearly lost.
Well, hey, how about you two go at it like that now? You want to be strong like your grandpa, right?
What? Where's this coming from?
How about you let me referee?
What
the-
the? Who
Oh.
are you?
Apparently he had the same thought as me.
Just a humble feline crossing your path. You bet your whiskers I won't pass up the chance to watch a good contest.
Talk about lucky. Okay, buddy, time to show Alwyn your grandpa's not the only great rider in the family. If you can win this, that'll really impress Zellert and the Elder.
I suppose battling against another rider would be good experience for you, too.
Okay, get ready, 'cause here...
Oh, I cut her off.
Go!
Sorry, referee cat. No holding back, understood? This is kind of weird. This is your first rider battle, right, buddy? You're gonna want to keep an eye on your opponent's hearts. Hearts decrease every time a rider or a monster is defeated. First one who loses all their hearts loses the battle. You can't target riders with direct attacks, though. Only monsters. So plan out your strategy carefully. Okay. Well, I know he uses technical. I assume, you know, flying, he's weak against bows. Let's do this thing. Wait, did he just use speed? He is! He uses speed! What? What? He's been using technical this whole... Oh, and your opponent can use items just like you. Use items, giving monsters orders, switching monsters and weapons. There's all kind of stuff you can try. Okay, let's get Yayan out here then. Oh, I'm still on power. Alright, let's do this. Alan's just using Shulk for this battle, but some riders will switch between different monsters too. Ow! Haha! Come a long way in such a short time. Ouch! Alright, let's get kinship attack in. Fireball explosion! Oh no! Oh, that's not good.
Now, Shulk!
Ow. Air showdown. What's this one? That was close. I was tapping the wrong one. Haha! Sucker! Health back. This fight isn't going as well as I would like. Ah! I got your back, buddy. Oh, come on! Alright, let's do this! Shablam! Alright, let's get that kinship in. Nice! You may even have the potential to become as strong as Red. Oh no! Poison coating! No! Oh. Dang it! There's no shame in losing. It's good experience. You're still new to this after all. Ah. I don't like losing. You can now participate in multiplayer battles. They're a good way to gain experience. Access these battles from the quest board and test your skills against riders from around the world. You can also join forces with a partner for pair battles. Victory lies in the strength of your bond. Whoa, sounds like fun. You should try it out later, buddy. But first, time to grab an egg and head back. Well, I think we'll call it there for today. Thanks for joining me today, and if you like what you saw, hit that like button, or maybe even subscribe. And if you're feeling super generous, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.